So first of all, we are going to remove the front grille. This is held in with two T25 torx screws. So next we need to remove these two T25 torx screws from the arch liner. And then there's a third one here. We also have another T25 torx screw holding the bumper to the wing, so we need to remove this also. Now we have the screws out, we can pull the bumper forward. This will give us access to remove the headlight. So now we need to remove the T30 in the side of the headlight to the bumper bracket. Now we need to remove the screw on the front of the headlight. This is a T30. Another screw, T30 again. Final T30 right at the bottom. This just needs to be slackened off, not removed. Unplug the loom. So there is two fitting brackets what need to be removed from the old headlight. We have this, which pulls off here, slides on there, and then this, which goes to the rear, like this. There is also a screw here, which we need the T25 again for. This is just to align the headlight with the bodywork of the vehicle. So now it's time to install the new headlights. First of all, attach the loom. Let's get these fitted. So all we need to do now is do the reverse. So I'll start with the bottom. This headlight set is fully E-marked. These headlights are right on drive and also MOT compliant. This kit also has all the bulbs fitted and the lowered level motors also installed. These headlights are literally ready to fit straight into your vehicle. Tighten the T30 up in the side of the headlight. Just make sure all these are all tight. And now we need to get the bumper back on. So finally, let's get the grille back in and installed. Simply just dropped into place, only two screws in, here and here.